My second question is music and modern stress. Sleep deprivation, stress, anxiety, and burnout are becoming common. Can music play a role in improving emotional and mental well being?
Absolutely. Music is something, it's like it directly hits the brain waves, because brain waves and sound waves are measured in the same way, which is called hertz. The brain waves are also vibrations, and sound waves which go and triggers the brain waves, they are also vibrations. And music works directly on your autonomous nervous system. Therefore, slow, soothing music, they can easily just listen for 5 minutes and they reduce the stress. It lowers the heart rate, regulate your breathing and heart rate. So this is how it activates your vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is something which is very, very important for your relaxation. And music is a medicine. So regular listening and music intervention practices of a certain frequencies and the ragas and mantras work on the sleep quality. It improves the sleep quality. It improves the relaxation habits. So regular listening at a certain time. So obviously when we say medicine, it should be prescribed to be used in a specific time, in a specific moment. So depending upon person's inclinations and tendencies, the mind tendencies, we use music as medicine to improve the sleep quality. Burnout, for the burnout also it is very, very useful, especially certain mantra chanting, certain ragas, certain rhythms and the pitches. It also works on the emotional expressions and provide a beautiful outlet to express yourself. It is also called emotional release. When you work on the emotional release, after that you feel lighter. And music works, it's a very beautiful tool for ventilation of your expressions. And the moment it's done, then you just go to a specific type of healing. So it's always accessible and approachable everywhere. You don't need to go to the sound healing centers, you don't need to go to any particular doctor if you know something that yes, this is relaxing music, this is not.
I have also felt the healing effects of music in everyday life, and lately I have a music teacher coming in the ragas, and the just I have gone through them and they are very, very beautiful and relaxing.